If you've been searching for a lightweight folding power chair, but need more strength and support, this might be exactly what you've been waiting for. Meet the Jazzy Carbon HD, where heavy-duty performance meets lightweight, travel-friendly design. The Carbon HD is built with a reinforced carbon fiber frame and engineered to support up to 400 pounds, yet it still weighs just 32.2 pounds without the battery. That's serious strength without the bulk. And when it's time to go, it folds in seconds and locks securely into place, making it easy to lift, transport, and store. Despite its compact size, the Jazzy Carbon HD delivers a smooth, confident ride. With front and rear suspension, you'll notice improved stability and comfort whether you're indoors or cruising outdoors. Top speed comes in at up to 3.7 miles per hour, giving you dependable everyday performance without sacrificing control. Comfort is clearly a priority here. You get flip-up carbon fiber armrests, a padded seat back with a removable cushion, and an extra-wide foot platform. Perfect for riders who want more room and better support. There's even a convenient seat-back storage pocket to keep essentials close by. The quick disconnect LCD joystick is intuitive and packed with modern features, including a digital display, USB-C charging port, and even a headlight for added visibility. The standard 20 amp-hour lithium battery charges quickly and is designed for easy travel and daily use. When folded, the Carbon HD stays impressively compact, just 31.3 inches long, 26.4 inches wide, and 13 inches high, so it's perfect for trunks, closets, or tight storage spaces. So if you need higher weight capacity, extra stability, and real portability without stepping into a bulky power chair, the Jazzy Carbon HD checks all of the boxes. Built tough, built light, and built for real-world freedom. If you have any questions about the Jazzy Carbon HD or want help finding the right mobility solution, give Automobility Store a call at 800-431-3183 or visit our website at automobilitystore.com. We're always happy to help.